Day 3 for Army Recognition Group at EDEX 2021 in Egypt, Cairo. With 920 military personnel, the largest military power in Africa and one of the leading forces worldwide, Egypt is the ideal setting for large-scale defense and security events. In addition, Egypt has historically maintained continuous investments in the latest weaponry as a defense strategy and has strengthened national production line across a range of military complexes.
My name's Jonathan Field, and I'm the Vice President for International Business Development for Hensoldt. Well, this is our second participation at EDEX, and it's a great opportunity to be able to interface with our customers, our partners, both commercial and industrial. And so far it's been a very successful show because the attendance has been very good despite very difficult circumstances. So we're delighted to be here for a second time, and so far it's going very well. As you know, we've been going through a very difficult process with the pandemic, and it's very good to see the trade show back functioning well with a number of delegations. So our expectations coming from the show is the ability to be able to interface with our end users particularly, and the various departments here, but from a regional perspective, also be able to interface with different customers potentially that we haven't met before, given that we've developed new products and new solutions for the market that will interest not only our traditional customers, but indeed new customers as well.
I'm Sébastien Corneau, a sales representative for Hensoldt. So Hensoldt is a defense electronic company mainly active in radar, optronics, electronic warfare and avionics. And here we are very happy to be in EDEX to present some of our main products. We will be able to highlight several ones. So one of the main products we want to speak about here is a TRML-4D, AESA radar for air defense and air surveillance, which raised a lot of interest and here specifically in EDEX. But I take the opportunity also to speak about the passive radar, which is really a revolutionary technology in order to make air surveillance without emitting any radiation, and it also brings some interest here in EDEX so far. And it's not here, but a little bit further on the booth, we also like to show a little bit our new product, which is a quad-dome for naval topics, which is also AESA radar for air surveillance, more for corvettes and OPV ships.
In an IFF system, you have an interrogator, which is a short-range or long-range interrogator that is sending signals to a transponder. The transponder that recognizes the signals is sending an answer back, so you can identify a friend. All this traffic is of course also secured by encryption. For NATO countries it's a Mode 5 device, and for non-NATO countries the Hensoldt is supplying national secure mode with equal or even the same security mechanism, but with a country-owned algorithm and key.
My name is Thomas Athanasio. I am Market Segment Manager for Security Solutions from Hensoldt, and we are here presenting our systems, our integrated solutions for border security, coastal security, counter-UAV and other sub-segments of the security sector. Well, this solution is one of our solutions for short and mid-range surveillance. We use it for the protection of border areas and port protection areas, for example, where you do not need an extended range. But we also have other systems for extended range, like the Spexer 2000 radar and the Z-Nidal-M camera, which can reach out to 25-30 kilometers of range for the protection of the borders. On the other hand, the same products can be used for in a fusion sensor, in a fused manner, as a counter-UAV solution against drones and in the interception of the drones whenever they enter into a critical area. This is the Spexer 600. It's one of our newest panel radar products. It's an advanced AESA radar for the protection of border security and, of course, for the application for counter-UAV solutions.
I'm Colonel Mohammed Abdelghani. I am production manager of Engineering Industrial Complex. I'm going to introduce the first vehicle here in the outdoor booth. It's Timsah 5. Timsah 5 basically built on a chassis from Toyota, but this prototype is Nissan chassis with 250 horsepower, automatic transmission. The ballistic protection level is PR6. The crew consists of 4 personnel with a manual turret. Timsah Light is based on chassis 4x4 with ram flat, 228 horsepower with manual transmission. The crew is 5 personnel, including the driver. Maximum speed of this vehicle is about 165 km, and the protection level is PR6. Based on a chassis 6x6 with ram flat and CTIS. The bus can transfer 24 troops. The protection against mines is Stanak 4 and protection against ballistic is PR6. It has surveillance system with screens and also have very good air condition and screens to showing any movie. This shelter is a shelter to protect against electromagnetic wave with a ballistic protection level BR6. All the devices inside the shelter is protected against jamming and electromagnetic wave and sparks, lightning. One thing about this shelter, it's easy to dismount the shelter, take it off by twist lock, and then you can put it on any vehicle. Timsah 1, it's an armored vehicle, troop carrier, 4x4 with CTIS and ram flat, 230 horsepower. The crew is 6 plus 2. It has 1 turret, 6 gun ports, and protection level against mine is Stanak 4, protection level against ballistics PR7. You can see the surveillance system, which showing in front of the commander. And here you can see the anti-blast seats. The anti-blast seats have a mechanism to absorb the impact from the mine blast and also have 4-point seat belt. Timsah 2, it's based on a chassis 6x6 with ram flat and CTIS. Also, it has 240 horsepower with manual transmission. The protection against mine is Stanak 4. Protection against ballistic is PR7. It has 2 turrets, which produce a high rate of fire. The crew is 8 plus 2. And there is a plenty of space out there, which enable you to put whatever equipment you want to put inside it. The payload for this truck is about 2.8 tons.
We are a CSM industry. We come from Czechoslovakia, now Slovakia, from 1967. We are traditional producers of excavators, mobile platform. So this is a unique technology that coming from Slovakia, and we are trying to now explore the opportunities in Egyptian market, and not only Egyptian but also export opportunities in for Africa. So we are ready to localize our technology with a full transfer of technology, and that's what we are here for. This is a unique excavator which is on a mobile platform, because the traditional excavators as we know it, they are coming on the tracks. So this is on a mobile platform, either 6x6 or 8x8. We provide also the armor technology for the combat engineering, military engineering groups. So this is good for any military engineering support groups in the armies. We have delivered recently for the NATO in Slovak army. Slovak army is using it, as well as Czech army, also Czech firefighters. We are quite established in Soviet Union or post-Soviet Union countries, so in Russia, in Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Ukraine. So, and now we are looking for opportunities here in Africa. This is the first time here for us, but yeah, looking forward. EDEX is our new experience. We never been here before. It is a great show. I was really surprised how professional and large it is. We have already talked with our partners. We are ready to establish the cooperation with local partner on various chassis. So we are good as an excavator on a Tatra chassis, Rheinmetall MAN, Iveco, and MAS, which is produced here also locally. So these are the opportunities for the end user to select our product, and also ready for exporting.